welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm doing another Halloween makeup look, and yes, I mean another, so if you haven't seen the ones I've posted this year, go take a look, but I've also posted some before. But the last video I posted was a clown look and it was really cute, playful and a bit glam, so go check that out. In today's video I'm doing something brand new that I've never done before because I like trying out new things and showing you that it's fine to try out new things and trust the process. That's what we learned from last video, so we're probably going to learn that again from this video. Anyway, let's get into it. You've seen the thumbnail, so hopefully the look turns out okay. I don't know yet. But today I am creating like a broken doll. I really love glam makeup and I really love showing you guys that you can do fun Halloween makeup without having like loads of like products and extra stuff and spending lots of money. We can just do it with what we have. I'm going to jump into that fun, awesome video. But before I do that, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy this video or just like me, and to subscribe to my channel to see more makeup fun and a load of other stuff because I post some weird, yeah, I post vlogs, I post try on hauls, but a lot of it is makeup. So here for girly fun, stick around. Anyway, I'm going to do my base makeup and then we'll get into it. So let's jump on into the video. Okay, so I am back with a base and my brows done. Hopefully looking a little pink. I might put some more blush on in a minute. But the doll look I am going for is pink. And I'm flashing this eyeshadow palette at you because this has the best pinks in my opinion. So this is the James Charles Morphe palette. Yeah, it doesn't be made anymore, old and broken. But these two shades seem perfect. So I'm going to create like a negative cut crease, as in I just want the pink at the top and then I probably will carve out with some concealer. So let's jump to it. I just cleaned my brushes before this video and now I'm making them messy already. But I don't know if you saw my last video, but I was like, I really need to clean my brushes. So I did. Okay, so Morphe palette, Morphe brush, because why the heck not? M433. I never tell you what brushes they are because it doesn't really matter, but it's like a mini, like a medium-sized fluffy brush. And then I'm going to start off with the paler colour first because I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing. So starting off small or light and then figuring it out. Just get my mirror, got the brush, and then let's just start building that colour in my crease and then slowly fading it above. But I feel like I will use the darker shade afterwards, but I just wanted to get something in my eye first. Oh, and apparently this is the pink, not this one, the other pink that I'll use is the one that stains from this palette. And I'm going to the office tomorrow, so I hope I get most of it off my eyelids. But this is definitely worth it because it's Sunday and I want to do some cool creative makeup before I go to work and before the Halloween season's over. But actually, I am buzzing for Halloween season to be over. Just not really obsessed with it this year. I don't know, I guess it's because this year I'm not throwing a party and I'm not going to a party. So the hype's just not really there for me and I haven't really done anything for it because life. However, Christmas season, I am here for it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Not that much, so let's add to it. Another Morphe brush. This time it's a bit smaller of a fluffy brush. Honestly, you probably can't tell the difference, but this is an M456. And let's go into the Stainy McGee color, like that. I also tidied up my makeup desk, so last video I was probably clattering around so much, and this time not as much because I've only got the products below that I want to use. Okay, so I've already gone way too low with that because I wasn't thinking and I was going to do my usual kind of vibe. But what I want is this colour in and above my crease and I might bring it out. Yeah, that looks nice. So I don't think I've spoken about it yet, but King Kylie 2016 makeup's coming back. I mean, it's going to be 2026 soon and that means it's been 10 years since 2016, which means I left school 10 years ago, which seems quite mad for me, but not too mad at the same time because my boyfriend's 33 and a lot of people I hang out with are a lot older. I say a lot older, just a bit older. So yeah, 10 years leaving school. Well, gosh, I can remember it very well. But that means when it was like 2016 vibe of like makeup with cut crease, like full beat makeup, all matte. Yes, I did it, but not so much that I would if I was like 18, because I was in school, so I couldn't wear too much makeup every day, and I just wasn't very good at makeup. I was trying to find my vibe, my style, and I went to emo style, so like big black eyeliner. So I am going to help bring back 2016 makeup. So after the Halloween season, look out for that video. I also want to try out Kylie Cosmetics because I never have. Like, I definitely want to try out the lip kits, and I have wanted that for ages. However, you might have already seen Bola 2016, like her new, what do you call it? Her new release, her new line. Yeah, her new line of makeup all sold out. Anyway, this is coming across really nice and cute. It's a lot more vivid of a pink than I was gonna go for. So I'm just gonna go back over with the paler pink and kind of blend it out. And then we'll probably clean up my lid. Yeah, I think that's it. So to clean up my lid, I'm taking the HMB Cosmetics Concealer. This is in the shade 1.5 because I'm pale. And I like my concealer to be lighter because I like a light under eye, but not too light. Then I'm picking it up on this flat, small, tiny brush. This is from Doll Beauty, I think, yeah. And it's really handy because I have small eyes, so it's just easy to get the concealer on. And I'm just gonna put it on the lid and slowly build it up. So then I'm making more of a negative space. Look, if I really wanted to be precise, I could have, like, what do you call it? Remove the makeup from my eyelid first. However, I think this will work, or I'm hoping it will, or it'll look good enough. So I'll probably go over this concealer with a white, so it won't be like pure white, but look good enough. But it is so nice to be back on YouTube. I have recorded like 2 videos this week. That's really exciting for me, and I've had a lot of fun doing it, and I'm planning to continue doing it. So remember to subscribe to continue watching these. I have started a series, which is, I call it the Rainbow Makeup series, but each episode I'm taking a colour from the rainbow. So I've red, I've gone to yellow, and I've done orange. Yeah, I think those are, it's done the wrong way. Red, orange, yellow. So I've got 3. However, those videos didn't do so great, and I'm guessing that's because it's not like a trending thing that people want to know about. I guess it might just be something people want to see when they want to create that colour look. So I mean, I want to continue it because I've really enjoyed trying out different makeup looks with different colours. But I don't know if it's the best use of my time, because if it's something you want or not. They're also pretty crazy because I like to use my platform to try out different makeup looks, and it might not just be something you want because it's quite creative and a bit abnormal, as you wouldn't do it, like not just a normal glam look. So I don't know, but if you're here watching this video and you haven't seen my others, just take a sneak peek, even at like the thumbnails. I put the look in the thumbnail so you can see, and just let me know what you think. Okay, so concealer on. Now I'm just gonna go into the palette and pick up this white shade and put it on top of the concealer. So I'm kind of like setting the concealer and also making the negative space just more negative. That makes sense. So just gonna look down and push that white shade. Oh, and this is with like a flat brush, and this is a Morphe 124. So all of my Morphe brushes actually came in a set. When it existed, I got the James Charles makeup brush set, James Charles palette. There was a time where I had some money to spend, and he was one of the people that I watched the most. But I would say I don't watch him at all now anymore. In terms of makeup, I don't really watch too many people anymore. I'm really enjoying the Welsh twins. I'm watching that sort of thing. But for my own free time, I love watching vlogs. I would love to vlog, but my life is not that interesting to vlog. What's your opinion? Right, so I have this pink liner that I might line that bit in. Like, I see some looks and they do it with black, but I think I want to keep everything pink. So I'm going to be quiet and draw a line. Ooh, halfway there. See, it's not super bright and it kind of blends in with the pink that we've already got, so I really like that. By the way, this is the Obsessed pink liner, and I think I got this in a set from like M&S. I think my mum got it for Christmas, and I don't really reach for it, but because it goes with this look, I like it, and I should use it more because I love pink. Anyway, now I have to be quiet to do the other eye. I don't know if I'm going to leave it in, but look how awkward I am. I'm crossing my arms like this so I can do it, because I'm right-handed. It does dry down matte in a different colour, so I'll let it dry. Now I'm a bit scared because I need to make my eyes bigger and more doll-like. So I've got Split Take liner palette, which I used in my last video, and I have this white shade, and I'm just gonna make my eye bigger. Right, got a liner brush. What I like to do, you need to activate these liners, and you can do it with water. I really enjoy using this set as a spray. One, because I'm on my makeup desk and I haven't got access to like running water, and two, setting sprays are gonna last longer, so won't this last longer? Cool. So this is what it looks like. Let's go for it. So I feel like I should because I have a white liner, I can put my lash line, waterline, but I'm just going to go straight with this liquid and kind of do the bigger bit first, and then I will do the waterline. I don't know how big I want to go, but we'll see. Sorry, I'm like leaning with a mirror in the way, and I'm just slowly building up that colour. Ooh. I can really change the shape of my eye so I can keep it even throughout, but I kind of want it bigger on the outer corner just to keep that like maybe lifted look. I am really impressed. It's a lot easier than I thought. I guess it's because I have quite a long brush. Can you see that? So it like bends as I pull it. Let's see if I can replicate it on the other eye. I'm also trying to make sure I don't get it in my eyes. My eyes are really sensitive to makeup at the moment, so therefore I thought I'd do more makeup because that makes sense. Are they looking even? I noticed there's a gap in this one. Oh, it's creasing. Oh, fun. I feel like this one needs to go wider a bit here, and it needs to go lower in general, so. Oh, god damn it. One looks good, and then, I don't know, I tried to match it and it just doesn't work. By the way, I say it doesn't work, but it's totally my fault. Is that too big? Because that one's really cute and small. Well, I just made this one bigger. I'm gonna have to stop soon because it's just getting bigger and bigger. Cool. Alright, we can establish that they're not even. That's fine. However, it's water activated liner and it's dry and increasing weird. So I'm gonna get some more of that white that I put on my lid and just put it over that water liner and just try to crease it. Just make sure it doesn't move as much. I know it's gonna crease because I'm creasy under my eyes today. My under eyes need more hydration. Now I'm just gonna warm up my white liner because if I just don't use it straight away, it's not very good. It doesn't pay off. And then I'm going to put that in my waterline. Now I'm looking wacky. I'm going to add some black to this. So I'm going to go around the white. So then I got like a black liner where then I can like add lashes to. So the liner palette went well. So let's just try it again, but with the black, if I can get into it. It's so annoying though. The black and the white are right next to each other. So they blend together all the time. So therefore, is this going to be a great? Because you saw the last video, had a bit of issues. More liner, more being quiet, and more. Let me try getting in a good position. Oh, I kept my eyes open and now they're boring. Well, that's a really wonky, wavy black line. I guess Pistol can have big liner, like I always do, because I messed it up. Cute. Okay, now again on the other eye. What do we think? I feel like right now you can't tell what the hell I am. So mascara, lashes, and so I have these lashes that I want to stick at the bottom, but I don't know if I want to draw some as well. I feel like I'm going to cut these in two and then stick them. So I got two for each side. Let's try that. So I have a bigger one on the outside. I haven't got any glue on it. I was just seeing what it would look like. So let's do that. Put a bit of duo lash glue. Note to self, need more. I've got two little tubes that's come with like packets of one that I've bought. I just can't find them. Put some glue on the other one. While they're gluing, get this one and also cut it in the middle. More lash glue. Right, so normally we would stick these up like this, but now we have to flip them because they're bottom lashes, so they need to go the other way. And luckily I have a thick bit there. Oh, I feel like I need to move it up a little bit. Like that. And then do I leave a bit of a space? Oh, I feel a bit crazy, not gonna lie. And are these gonna be bigger than my top lashes? Probably. So I might give them a trim after they're glued to my face now because I should have cut them first, but hey ho. Oh, this one doesn't want to stick. Oh, it's getting stuck to my finger. This is fun. Cool. Right, so what have I got next? I need to do my top lashes, but I always do that last because it's just easier to see when I haven't got bigger lashes on my eyes. Next bit we could do is lips, and I want a cute little pink lip. So one second. So it turns out I don't love pink. The pinkiest pink I have is Charlotte Tilbury. Pillow Talk? Is it Pillow Talk? Yeah, Pillow Talk. So just gonna line my lips and then put Pillow Talk on. They are lined-ish. Now put this Pillow Talk lipstick on. It's a mini one because I got it in a cute set. Cute. Now the bit I'm worried for is creating cracks or brokenness. So I think I need to do one here and here. So first we're just going to draw out some lines and then hopefully make it thicker and kind of winning it. So back in that black for the liquid liner. I think it'll be easy to do the top one because the top of my head is more flat than my cheek. So let's go up here and there you go, draw some broken lines. Now from what I've seen bottom some, they kind of make a hole. So I'm just going to thicken some of it up. Oh wow, I like that. However, I need to make sure it's more straight, or maybe too straight, so. Less is more, remember that video. I always go too much and it's like, is that good? Maybe this one's weirdly come back on itself. Now it looks like I have a spider on my head. Do people add shadows to it? I don't know. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It's really good to know if you're planning on creating this look. That means I was going to hide and do the other one off camera, but I think I can do it. Should I do it here or a bit further down? Oh, apparently I'm doing it there. I didn't even know I was going to touch my face. Please go away. Okay. So again, I just start off by drawing lines. Oh, it's like holding my breath as I'm doing it. And I guess the harder bit on this side is I have to really arch to be able to see it. Again, that looks way too symmetrical. This is really hard to colour in because hand-eye coordination when it's at the side of your face. I think I should have another hole up here just to make this one on my cheek more detailed and more interesting. And then we're gonna stop there. So I do think the one on my head is much better, but wow, I'm so happy. Like, this was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. The other bit that I've seen is dolls are like, their mouth goes and have like a mechanic, so this bit actually drops. So I might draw 2 lines here. Okay, so let's do that. Did you see that shake? Oh my god. And I'm just gonna extend my lip a little bit so it matches the black, but for now I'm gonna let that air dry. I'm gonna put mascara on and my big lashes, and then yeah, let's see what it looks like. 1 sec. Hi, this is the finished look. So I did a few extra things. I made my lips more pink just using like blush that I had on. I added some highlighter and added on these lashes and got a bit dressed up. I haven't got like outfits or like anything, but I went for some cute little pigtails. Are these pigtails? Low pigtails. I only have 1 bow, so I shove that in the hair on the other side so you can see the crack. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And oh my god, I really like this look. I like how it came together. Again, I didn't purchase anything for this look. It's just stuff I had at home. You can do the same. I mean, if you haven't even got lashes, you can draw them on. I've seen people do that before, but I really enjoy this and I think it's quite effective, if I do say myself. But let's give a moment for the look. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this makeup look or enjoyed the video and you made it to the end, so I think you did, please hit the huge thumbs up button as it would mean so much to me, and to subscribe to my channel to see more makeup fun. That's everything for now. So thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.